50 Shades of Love, a story told in idioms. They say love is blind, and for Emma and Ryan, it truly was. Their relationship was a roller coaster of emotions, full of ups and downs, but worth every moment. When Emma first saw Ryan at a bookstore, she was head over heels in seconds. He wasn't a dime a dozen. His kindness could melt her heart. For Ryan, it was love at first sight. His heart skipped a beat when she smiled. Emma had recently come out of her shell after a bad breakup and promised herself not to wear her heart on her sleeve again. But Ryan's charm swept her off her feet. Soon, he became the apple of her eye, and their love felt like a match made in heaven. Every time they met, they were on cloud nine. Emma always had butterflies in her stomach when she saw him. "We're two peas in a pod," Ryan would say. But Emma warned, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch, mister." When Ryan met Emma's parents, things weren't as smooth as silk. Her father was as cold as ice, and her mother didn't think Ryan was Mr. Right. But Emma stood her ground and decided to stick to her guns. Ryan tried to break the ice with jokes, but most fell flat. Still, he didn't give up. Determined to win their hearts, he decided to go the extra mile, helping around the house to get in their good books. Finally, Emma's father said, "You've hit the nail on the head, son. You're a man of your word." Just when everything was perfect, a rumor started, a storm in a teacup. Someone told Emma that Ryan was two-timing her. Her best friend tried to pour oil on troubled waters, but Emma said, "I'm at the end of my rope." Ryan, confused and hurt, decided to give her some space. Their relationship had hit rock bottom. But after a few days, Emma realized she had been barking up the wrong tree. One rainy evening, she ran to his apartment. When Ryan opened the door, his anger went out the window. Emma cried, "I've been such a fool for love. Can we bury the hatchet?" Ryan smiled. "You're the light of my life, Emma. Let's start from scratch." From that day, they were truly back on track. Ryan said, "The ball is in your court now." Emma replied, "Cross my heart, I'll never doubt you again." Through thick and thin, Ryan was always her shoulder to cry on. They both learned that love conquers all, and even though life wasn't perfect, they made it beautiful. Every time Emma looked at Ryan, he would take her breath away. The spark between them never faded. And as years passed, they realized time heals all wounds. At last, they lived happily ever after, proving that sometimes love, even when full of idioms, can tell the most real story of all.